Let's get straight into the top 5 best personal blenders for this year. Whether you're blending a morning smoothie, a post-workout shake, or a quick snack, you're in the right place. I've tested and compared the leading models to save you time and help you make a confident choice. There's something for every need and budget here, so you can find the perfect blender that fits right into your daily routine and lifestyle. First up, the classic Nutribullet Personal Blender. This is the one that started it all for so many people. It packs a solid 600 watts of power into a super simple, compact design. You just push, twist, and blend. It really is that easy. It comes with one 24-ounce cup that doubles as your to-go container, complete with a siplet. It crushes through fruits, spinach, and ice to deliver a smooth, nutritious drink in under a minute. Cleanup is a dream with dishwasher-safe parts. Let's be real, its strength is in its straightforward, no-fuss approach to nutrient-packed smoothies. If you want a trusted, durable workhorse for daily healthy blends without any complications, this is for you. Check the links below for the best price on this top-rated pick. Next, the versatile Magic Bullet Blender 11-piece set. This silver beauty is a compact powerhouse that does way more than just blend. With a 250-watt base and multiple cups, including a tall cup, a short cup, and even a party mug, it chops, mixes, whips, and grinds. It's perfect for single-serve smoothies, quick sauces, dips, or even omelets. The included recipe guide gets you started, and everything is BPA-free and dishwasher-safe. Now, it has less raw power than some others, so for very hard frozen blends, you might need to add a bit of liquid. But for its incredible versatility and space-saving design, it's a fantastic choice. If you're someone with a small kitchen who wants a mini food processor and blender in one, this affordable set is a game changer. At number 3, the TOPZEE Personal Smoothie Blender. This is the power champion of the list, boasting a massive 1,000-watt motor that peaks at 1,200 watts. It features a simple twist-on operation. Just secure the 24-ounce cup and it starts, no buttons needed. Its stainless steel blades make ice crushing remarkably easy. A quick note, it's designed for 60-second blending cycles to keep the motor cool, so for large batches, just pace yourself. It's lightweight, portable, and built for serious blending. If you're into fitness and need a blender that laughs at frozen fruit and ice for your protein shakes, this powerful machine is worth every penny. See it for yourself with the link in the description. Coming in at number 4, the Ganiza 15-piece blender and grinder combo. This is the ultimate all-in-one kitchen helper. Its 900-watt motor drives 2 different blades, a 6-blade cross for blending and a 2-blade flat for grinding coffee or spices. You get 4 BPA-free cups in different sizes, from a 10-ounce grinder to a 24-ounce portable cup. It has great safety features like auto-off if the cup isn't locked, and even a self-cleaning function. With all these attachments, it does take up a bit more counter space. But if you want one device to handle everything from morning smoothies to your evening dinner spices, this durable, multi-function blender is an incredible value. Finally, the smartly designed Consciot CB08 11-piece blender. This one shines with thoughtful engineering. Its 900-watt motor works with a unique asymmetric blade and turbulence cups to pull ingredients into the blade for super smooth results. It features hands-free auto operation, overheat protection, and non-slip feet. Cleaning is also a highlight with a self-clean function and dishwasher-safe parts. Its set includes 3 portable cup sizes and a helpful cleaning brush. It's a very well-rounded system that focuses on performance and safety. If you're looking for a modern, reliable blender that makes the whole process, from blending to cleanup, utterly seamless, the Consciot is a brilliant choice. Alright, let's wrap this up. All 5 of these are excellent personal blenders, but if I had to pick one overall champion for its perfect balance of trusted performance, simplicity, and daily reliability, it's the original Nutribullet. It consistently delivers great results and is built to last. That said, for pure power, go with the TOPZEE. For maximum versatility, choose the Ganiza or the Magic Bullet. And for smart, hands-free design, the Consciot is fantastic. You really can't go wrong. I've left direct links to all of these top-rated blenders in the description below so you can easily check current prices and find the best deal. If this roundup helped you out, a like or subscribe always supports the channel. Thanks for watching, and happy blending. Here's to your healthiest, tastiest smoothies yet.